Yeah. Let's talk about resilience. Jewish people know a thing or two about overcoming challenges. From ancient empires to the Holocaust, they faced it all, but they always bounced back stronger than ever. How? That's the question, right? One thing is clear, they never gave up. They held on to their traditions and beliefs, even in the toughest times. This unity gave them strength. They also understood that education was key. This wasn't just about reading Torah, though. It was about knowledge, critical thinking, and adapting to a changing world. See, when you educate your people, you empower them. You give them the tools to build a better future. This story of resilience isn't just for history books. It's a lesson for the world, especially for Africa. We've got our own struggles, our own history of adversity. But just like the Jewish people, we can overcome anything. Education, it's not just about memorizing facts, it's about unlocking potential. Jewish communities have always valued education. It's why they've thrived in so many fields. Look at science, medicine, the arts. Jewish contributions are everywhere, and it all starts with education. This is a powerful lesson for Africa. We need to invest in our schools, our teachers, our children. We need to create opportunities for learning and growth. When we do, we empower the next generation to achieve amazing things. Think about it. Every great scientist, every brilliant doctor, every inspiring artist, they all started somewhere. They all had someone who believed in them, who gave them a chance. That's what education does. It gives us a chance. Community is everything. It's the glue that holds us together, especially in tough times. Jewish communities understand this. They have a strong tradition of supporting each other, whether it's through synagogues, community centers, or just looking out for one another. They've got each other's backs. This sense of community fosters trust, encourages collaboration, and creates a safety net for those in need. Africa can learn a lot from this. We have strong family ties, a spirit of Ubuntu, the understanding that we're all connected. Let's build on that. Let's create spaces where people can connect, support each other, and thrive together. Let's talk business. Jewish communities have a long history of entrepreneurship. They've always been adaptable, finding ways to thrive in different industries and markets. This entrepreneurial spirit is something Africa needs more of. We have the talent, the drive, the creativity. We need to create an environment where these talents can flourish. We need to support small businesses, encourage innovation, and make it easier for people to start their own ventures. Imagine the possibilities. From tech startups to fashion designers, from agricultural innovations to artistic expressions, the potential is limitless. Let's take inspiration from the Jewish story of resilience, community, and entrepreneurship. Let's empower Africa's future. Adesina's shared histories comparing Jewish and African diaspora reveals unexpected links between two enduring communities. From ancient dispersals to modern-day resilience, this book uncovers threads of history, culture, and shared struggle. Join the journey and uncover the deep connections that bind us all. Like, subscribe, and share to spread the word. Available now on Amazon UK.